Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to do pickled pig's feet. I've been wanting to do these, but there's really not much information online about them. The couple recipes I found, I wasn't too crazy about them. It was cook them for 4 hours, cook them for 5 hours. So cut the cooking time down by putting them in my pressure cooker for 30-40 minutes. What we want to do is we want to get it where it's so tender it's going to fall off the bone. I'm going to separate the bones, get rid of the bones, take the meat and what have you, and put that in a jar and pickle that. So, got some washed pig's feet here. I'm going to use stuff that's in my fridge that I need to get rid of before it goes bad. So I'm going to use scallions, I'm going to use cilantro, I'm going to use celery, carrots, garlic, pepper. Wash everything. Well, I wash the feet. I'm going to wash the vegetables. I'm going to put the trotters in the pressure cooker. I'm going to put everything on top of the trotters. I'm going to fill the water up, maybe halfway. Just cover the trotters, and then I'll put it on for a half hour. And then after it's finished, I'll separate the meat. Okay, so I've got the trotters in there. I've got all those vegetables that I mentioned earlier. I've got some spice. I got some salt, some pepper, some smoked paprika, some red pepper flakes, and I put a lime in there. I'm not sure if I showed that before. I decided to put a lime in there. I've got about 5 cups of water and some chili oil. So now I'm trying to figure out how to start this. Because I've only used this a couple times. Alright, so that's on. Alright, that's closed. Okay, so we're going to do high pressure. We're going to try 30 minutes to see what happens. And after 30 minutes, I'll check it and see if they're tender enough. And I believe that's it. Okay, so I picked all the bones out, put it in a mason jar. Then I measured out 2 cups of vinegar to 2 tablespoons of salt. And then I put a couple of these dried chili peppers in here. And you can see there, I think what 3 or 4 in there. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm just going to let it sit for a couple days and then give it a taste and see what it tastes like. Okay. There you have it. Oh, I really like that. This is definitely another. I'll definitely do it again. It's really good. I gotta get another fork. I don't want to double dip. Okay. It's not, the vinegar is not overwhelming. It's there. And then the pig's feet, they're gelatinous, but I like that texture. And, well, anyway, this is definitely something that you need to try. And I hope you enjoyed this. I'm definitely going to do another video with more details. I'll be better prepared next time. All right, thanks for watching.